Hi, everyone. Thanks for reading with us again today. Today, we're reading a very special book. I read this all the time to my first daughter, Lake, when I had her. It's a wonderful rhyming book that has a great rhythm. Read along with me. Today, we're reading Everywhere Babies by Susan Myers. Every day, everywhere, babies are born. Fat babies, thin babies, small babies, tall babies, winter and spring babies, summer and fall babies. Every day, everywhere, babies are kissed. On their cheeks, on their ears, their fingers, their nose, on the top of their head, on their tummy, their toes. Every day, everywhere, babies are dressed. In diapers and t-shirts and buntings and sleepers, in playsuits and dresses, in sweaters and creepers. Every day, everywhere, babies are fed. By bottle, by breast, with cups and with spoons, with milk and then cereal, carrots and prunes. Every day, everywhere, babies are rocked, in cradles and chairs, at nap time and night, by friends and relations who cuddle them tight. Every day, everywhere, babies are carried in backpacks, in front packs, in slings and in strollers, in car seats and bike seats and on Daddy's shoulders. Every day, everywhere, babies make noise. They cry and they squeal, they giggle, they coo. They bang and they splash, they clap their hands too. Every day, everywhere, babies like toys, rattles and tops and books that won't tear, old pots and pans and a fuzzy brown bear. Every day, everywhere, babies play games. Peek-a-boo, pat-a-cake, this little piggy. Roll the ball, ride a horse, jiggity, jiggity. Every day, everywhere, babies make friends with a puppy, a kitten, a goldfish, a bunny, with young people, old people, anyone funny. Every day, everywhere, babies are crawling. Forward and backward on bottoms and knees, upstairs and downstairs wherever they please. Every day, everywhere, babies are walking. One step, another, they fall down and then pick themselves up and try it again. Every day, everywhere, babies are growing. They can run, they can jump, they can slide, they can swing. They can dig, they can climb, they can talk, they can sing. Every day, everywhere, babies are loved for trying so hard, for traveling so far, for being so wonderful, just as they are. I love that book, didn't you? I'll see you again next time for the next book. Thanks for watching and sharing with your friends.